We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive, expert-driven look at the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts Multi-Pack Style G 1100. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews. The Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts have quickly become a staple in many wardrobes, consistently ranking at the top of bestseller lists and earning high praise from users for their comfort, durability, and value. With the bestsellers rank of number 5 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry and number 1 in men's t-shirts, these shirts have clearly struck a chord with consumers seeking reliable, everyday basics. The multi-pack format offers convenience and value, making it easy to refresh your wardrobe or stock up for the season. One of the most commonly cited advantages of the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts is their soft and comfortable fabric. Users repeatedly mention that the material feels gentle against the skin, making these shirts ideal for all-day wear. The fabric strikes a balance between being lightweight enough for breathability and substantial enough to feel durable, which is a rare combination in affordable basics. This comfort is not just present on the first wear, it persists through multiple washes, with users noting that the shirts maintain their softness over time. Durability is another area where these t-shirts excel. Many reviewers highlight that the shirts hold up well after repeated laundering, with no significant shrinking, fading, or loss of shape. This is a critical factor for those seeking long-lasting wardrobe staples, as many budget-friendly shirts tend to deteriorate quickly. The Gildan Crew t-shirts, however, stand out for their ability to retain their fit and appearance even after months of regular use. The classic fit of these shirts is frequently praised for being neither too tight nor too loose, making them versatile for a wide range of body types and style preferences. The fit allows for comfortable movement without appearing baggy, and the shirts work equally well as standalone tops or as undershirts layered beneath sweaters, button-downs, or jackets. This versatility extends to their appearance as the shirts pair easily with jeans, shorts, or lounge pants, making them suitable for everything from casual outings to relaxing at home. Value is a recurring theme in user feedback. The multi-pack format offers significant savings compared to purchasing individual shirts, and the quality of the product far exceeds what many expect at this price point. This makes the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers who do not want to compromise on comfort or durability. Whether you are buying for yourself or as a gift, the multi-pack ensures you always have a clean, comfortable shirt on hand. Ease of care is another benefit that users appreciate. The shirts are machine washable and require little to no special attention, making them a practical choice for busy individuals or families. The fabric resists wrinkles and maintains its color, further simplifying the laundry process. This low-maintenance aspect is especially valued by those who prioritize convenience in their clothing choices. While the overwhelming majority of reviews are positive, the few criticisms that do arise tend to be highly subjective. Some users may prefer a slightly different fit or thickness, but these concerns are rare and often outweighed by the many benefits. In fact, several reviewers specifically mention that the shirts are suitable even for those who are particularly picky about their clothing, noting that the neck hole is comfortable, the fabric is not too thick or rough, and there are no unnecessary features like pockets. The lack of significant drawbacks is a testament to the thoughtful design and consistent quality of the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts. The shirt's versatility is further highlighted by users who wear them for a variety of activities, from lounging at home to running errands or even working out. The breathable fabric makes them comfortable in a range of temperatures, and the classic style ensures they never look out of place. For those who prioritize simplicity and reliability in their clothing, these shirts deliver on all fronts. The packaging and presentation of the multi-pack are also noted as convenient, with the shirts arriving neatly folded and ready to wear. The sizing is generally accurate, and the availability of multiple sizes ensures that most users can find a suitable fit. The shirts are available in a range of colors, allowing for further customization to suit individual preferences. In terms of technical details, the shirts are lightweight yet substantial, with package dimensions of approximately 16.69 by 10.9, 4 by 4.65 inches, and a total weight of 3.17 pounds for the multi-pack. The item model number is G1100, and the shirts are designed for men, though their classic style may appeal to a broader audience. The shirts first became available in October 2023, and their rapid rise in popularity speaks to their widespread appeal. Customer ratings reinforce the positive feedback, with an impressive average of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 307,000 ratings. This level of satisfaction across such a large user base is rare and indicates a product that consistently meets or exceeds expectations. Many reviewers mention that they have repurchased the shirts multiple times, further attesting to their quality and value. The Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts are also praised as a thoughtful and practical gift. Several users report buying them for family members, particularly husbands or sons, who then go on to request additional packs. The shirt's universal appeal and reliable performance make them a safe choice for gifting, especially for those who value comfort and practicality. For those with sensitive skin or particular preferences about fabric texture, the shirt's softness and lack of irritating seams or tags are significant advantages. The shirts are designed to minimize discomfort and maximize wearability, making them suitable for individuals with a range of needs and preferences. In summary, the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts, Multipack, Style G 1100 stand out as an exceptional choice for anyone seeking comfortable, durable, and versatile everyday shirts. Their classic fit, soft fabric, and impressive durability set them apart from other options in their price range, and the multi-pack format offers excellent value. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users underscores the reliability and satisfaction these shirts provide. If you are in the market for new t-shirts, whether for yourself or as a gift, the Gildan Men's Crew t-shirts are a top contender. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for considering this review as part of your decision-making process.